Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting recovery now. First, verify TPM is enabled and the drive shows Bitlocker. Open another device and sign into your Microsoft account to find the 48-digit recovery key or plug in the USB that holds it. Once you have the key, boot into Windows recovery environment by holding Shift while selecting Restart or use a bootable USB. You need immediate access to the recovery input screen, so make sure keyboard works in firmware settings, allow USB or recovery mode before proceeding. Once you're at the recovery prompt, choose the Bitlocker recovery option or open command prompt from advanced options. Type the 48-digit recovery key exactly as shown, including hyphens. If your keyboard misbehaves, switch to the on-screen keyboard. If the graphical path fails, run manage BDE unlock C. Recovery password followed by the key, then run manage BDE protectors disable C to temporarily suspend protection while you troubleshoot. Make sure you observe success messages. This confirms the drive is unlocked and accessible for next steps. With the drive unlocked, run chkdskc/f and then sfc/scano to repair file system and system files. This prevents repeated recoveries. Once repairs finish, re-enable protection with Manage BDE Protectors Enable C, and confirm with Manage BDE status. If you still get rejected keys, make sure BIOS time is correct. Consider clearing and reinitializing TPM only after exporting keys, or recover from Active Directory or your Microsoft account. Tip: if
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.